I'm Paris Chief Resilience Officer, and I've been working on designing a resilience strategy for the city of Paris. Urban resilience is the capacity of a territory to survive and to thrive, whatever the shocks and the chronic stresses it can face. A shock can be a heat wave, a terrorist attack, a major flood, and a chronic stress can be air pollution, inequity, lack of social cohesion, global warming, long-term effects, and so on. And the specificity of this approach is the fact that we see the future of the city in a holistic and integrated way. So far, we've been working in our cities to develop climate plans, to develop smart city strategies, to develop inclusion policies. And in the same time, we're using innovation and moving the global governance and organization of our local governments. The resilience approach proposes to link all these approaches in a unique framework, and for more efficiency, and in order to build a future that take into account all the different interdependencies on the territory. For instance, it could be interesting to work in the same time in mitigating and adapting to climate change and reducing inequity and strengthening social cohesion, and it's possible, and that's what the resilience approach proposes. Within the 20th century, resilience was mainly targeting infrastructures, critical systems, and so on. And of course, it's important, and it's still important now, and we have to think about the way to build inclusive and climate-resilient infrastructures, whatever they are. But and that's one of our focus in Paris. Social cohesion is the main asset for resilience. To sum up the idea, the more cohesive a society is, the more strong it is to face any kind of shock, whether it's a flood, a terrorist attack, or a heat wave. And that's why everywhere in all the cities within the 100 Resilient Cities network, social cohesion is a really important part of our reflections.